Well, our baby sister moved again. So she's asked for another piece of furniture, and today we're gonna build a console table to go behind her couch.
I think you spent about $60 in lumber.
Yes, ma'am, 4 boards and 1 project panel.
So let's get to building.
So I have ripped the boards down to 5 inches wide each, and I'm connecting the shorter pieces to create 2 leg assemblies. Now, these are gonna be connected using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws and wood glue. The bottom piece is gonna have the pocket holes facing up because that's gonna face the ground, and on your top piece that's going to be the support for the tabletop, you're gonna have your pocket holes facing up.
All right, so we've got both of our leg assemblies done.
Actually, it's like this. They go like this.
We've got both of our leg assemblies done, and now we are going to attach them with the top.
Whoop, whoop. Actually, we're gonna build the top.
We've got our 2 leg assemblies done. Now it's time to move these out of the way and build the top.
Deal.
So this is a ripped down piece of laminated pine that Whitney's ripped down, and this is gonna be the top to the console table. I am drilling 3/4-inch pocket holes all the way around, and we are using our favorite Kreg jig model, the 720 Pro. I love this one because you can switch between 3/4-inch and 1.5-inch stock without having to make any adjustments except for on the stop collar.
It's a brand new blade too, baby. Brand new blade.
Oh, this is
Butter.
like butter.
Butter.
Okay, so I've got 3/4-inch pocket holes drilled all the way around on all sides, and now I'm handing it off to my lovely assistant.
Ding. All right, so what we're doing now is we are gonna be trimming this out with 2x2s that I cut down from 2x6s, because that's what we do. Don't take my trusty plans. Actually, I really don't need them right now. So what I've done is I've cut each piece just a little bit longer so that we can actually go and mark specifically how long we need them to be. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to mark it and then take it to the table saw and cut it. Okay, so this is the way it needs to go. And I'm marking, is that one long enough? Look how bowed, won't that be fun?
It's long.
Won't that be fun?
Are you cutting both sides of it? Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, so I'm taking it over to the table saw and making 45-degree cut. I'm gonna do one side and then I'll line it up for the second side. So let's see if I've got this. I may need to trim it up a bit. In a strange turn of events, I need to quickly shave it down just a hair.
Plot change.
Yep, it's actually not much of a plot twist for me, but I typically need to make multiple cuts to get it right.
I'm on plan G for today, so hopefully it works.
I feel good about this.
I'm good.
Okay.
I mean, it's not yours, it's Jeffrey's.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. So now we're going to add a little wood glue, just a little bit, because we're gonna stain it. And I'm worried about, you know, we're gonna add a tiny bit. 1 1/4-inch pocket hole screws through the pocket holes and into the 2x2. So I'm gonna start with this side, if you agree.
Yep.
Make sure it's nice and flush. Jeffrey, are you liking your table and how it's coming along?
I'm just still in shock mode.
I wanna be someone's charity case like you, with furniture.
I'm everybody's charity case for lots of things.
All right, so I have marked my next 2 cuts, and Ash, you can go ahead and flip this over. I'll make these cuts and we'll get this one attached as well. We're almost done. Okay, so I've got this piece done. We're gonna get this one attached.
Do you wanna see if that one fits this side?
Why?
Well, then you can just copy it.
No, Ashley, I'm not cutting shortcuts on this.
Okay.
I'm not doing it. This is,
It's all right. I tried to save her time.
This is for the inside of Jeffrey's house, and I care more. I care more about him than that, so.
You lie. Who's the better sister-in-law?
Whose house are you building for today, Ashley?
Mine. Finally.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, so tabletop is done. Now we're going to attach our 2 leg pieces together using the runner. And actually, Ash, we've got to make some pocket holes on our runner first with our trusty 720 Pro. So I'm going to quickly, the great thing about this Craig jig, like Ashley mentioned, it's pause for lawn truck. It's super easy to adjust. All I have to do is adjust the depth collar on the drill bit, and then the Craig jig does the rest of it for me. So it's already adjusted, self-adjusting for the width of the material. Because we did 3/4, now we're doing 1.5, and it was that simple. So I'm just making 2 pocket holes on each end, and that's gonna be to attach our 2 leg assemblies. Flip it, change it, rearrange it. My glasses are fogging because it's so wet outside, so damp. So we can take this down, like I have water on my face. So we can take that down. And then what we'll do is get a scrap 2x board, which this one's probably fine right here. Yeah. And we can set this guy on top.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Yep. Facing up.
What we have now, look at the dog hair. Okay. What we have right now is 1 leg assembly. This is gonna be the base, but we're doing it upside down to attach the runner. And we're gonna attach this using wood glue and 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. I had to take my glasses off because they were fogging. So now I'll return them. They're supposed to be anti-fog too, but I guess.
Are they?
Yeah, these are.
That.
Okay, I need to, hold on, 16.5, so that would be 8.25.
No.
16.5, so it'd be 8.25 would be center?
Yes, you're right.
I wasn't asking Ash for math tips today, but she's happy to give them.
I was thinking it would make it over 16 and it's supposed to be over 16.
And this doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but since it's for Jeffrey and Leisha's house, it has to be perfect. Their expectations are quite high, so only the best and the freest, right?
That's right.
Entire base is built. So we're gonna get our tabletop, turn it upside down, get it lined up, and then we will attach it. So if you even wanna lean it that way, Ash, I feel like.
Like sideways?
Yeah,
I think we need to do it
like
at the
towards
same time.
Jeffrey. I don't know, maybe. I was really just trying to cut corners here, which is not my usual.
We never cut corners.
You know what I mean? Just like set it on there. And then we have 5 inches, supposedly, we have 5 inches overhang on each side. So let me check that. Almost at 5.
5.25.
Okay, so push it a tiny bit my way.
5 1/8.
So we'll go.
I need
Towards you.
less. Yeah.
There we go. Final step is to attach our base to our top, and we're gonna do that using the Craig jig quick flip and our drill. So what the quick flip does, and we've used this before with you guys, is it will countersink a hole for me. And so we'll do this. This is gonna go through the 2x right here on the base. And then we'll put one right here. And then with a quick flip, see what I did there? Whoops, sorry. Set it back in place, and we will use 2.5-inch pocket hole screws, making sure they won't be too.
Yeah.
Y'all know I've done that a few times. And it perfectly hides our screw. Get in there, you little booger. Okay, we are all finished. Let's set her down.
This is so cute.
So cute.
I love it.
I bet our sister's gonna love it too. We're so nice.
We are nice.
So the best thing about this thing, guys, is it was $60 of lumber, 4 boards, and a project panel to build the entire thing. And I think it looks pretty darn cute.
I love it. What are you gonna do to it?
I probably need to ask the owner what stain color she wants, but I will definitely do that and then get it stained and get it over to her house. So,
All right. Well, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video.
happy building, happy sweating.
I was just trying to add a little flair.
Well, Ash,
Stretch break!
you know what that music means. Stretch break!
Okay.
Enough, Ashley.
We are recording.
Literally. Ha ha ha! I am the champion! Look at this. Look at boom. Look at us. Light bulb. Wow. Let's put our tabletop upside down.
What? I didn't know we were
She's
recording and I'm
thirsty.
just getting my water.
It's wet, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
So, stretch break! Okay.